So we finally come to the final day of the Manchester Test, and what a cracking, spicy game we had at Manchester. And I think the last video you saw from Zia Asian Grill, we talked about the partnership between Shubman Gill and KL Rahul that started the journey of India's revival of the Old Trafford Test, because there was one situation where we almost lost the game, and it was, yeah, and it was another partnership today between Washington Sundar and Ravindra Jadeja, just the partnership like between Rave Sports and Zia Asian Grill that actually saved us from the horrible English food with some spicy authentic Indian food. With me, Trisha and Devashish on the final day of the Manchester Test. Trisha, coming to you first, how did you enjoy the final 30 minutes of the game? That was the most spicy moment of the game.
Well, there was no reason for England to crib, but then somehow, English players somehow find some way to crib English players, media. But overall, to be very honest, if I was in Ben Stokes' place, I wouldn't even have asked if you guys were gonna draw, because if a guy is on 90, the other one, he was on 89, the other one is on 85.
Yeah.
You all know that they're not going to take the draw. And they were fully in control, so there was no way that they were not going to get to the century. But there was one point where, in fact, I was telling Gargi that my only scare is they're bowling long hops. And even Jadeja was getting irritated at one point and he was hitting the ball. You don't want a wicket to fall.
Yeah.
Thankfully, it did not happen. But what I missed the most was, and someday if I meet Jaddu Bhai, I'll ask, sword celebration kaha gaya bhai? I was waiting for the sword.
He did.
No, he just did this.
Yeah.
He did the sword celebration.
Yeah, it was during the half century, not during,
Yeah, not the century.
not after
I'm
the
talking about the century.
Yeah.
After the century, he just raised his bat, stood like that, and then did this, that too, because Shubman Gill was continuously.
Yeah.
Shubman Gill and I were thinking alike. Where is your sword celebration? He kept asking, and I think that's why.
Yeah,
That's what he did.
absolutely. And I think the mic that we that you guys might have seen, the BBC radio that we all
Mike, the radio.
no, the from the mic to the radio.
Ah.
So the words that Ben Stokes was using to is that if you wanted a century, you could have played like that. Do you really want a test century against Ben Duckett and who was that? Who was Harry Brook? Devashish, what's your thought on the whole saga?
There was nothing for England to gain at that time. The match was drawn, and he did mention in the press conference that he was not going to play his frontline pacers. Given that England were not in a position to win, so
Your thoughts on the heated up, spicy moment in that situation? Do you think that on Ben Stokes' place, if you were there, you would have done the same thing?
see, it varies from person to person. I would say. Means obviously Ben Stokes is someone who has always played for played to win matches, and in that case, obviously, the England bowlers were tiring. They gave it their all.
Yeah.
Means to see the back of Jadeja or Washington Sundar, but what a partnership they formed in the middle. So I think but to be telling the opposition team, let's obviously as Trisha mentions, when you have someone like Washington Sundar who has not scored a Test 100 and that
Exactly.
against England,
Exactly.
then as a sportsman spirit, you should have allowed him to go on and get his 100.
Because nobody was getting anything from the match. Everybody knew by the first hour, in fact, by half an hour after tea, it was very clear that none of the teams were winning. So everyone knew that it was then the 100 that you're going for.
Yeah.
Just let it happen and then say, okay, let's shake hands. That's it.
And I think the cribbing that Trishadi was mentioning at the start of the video, I think it makes the draw, which tastes like win for me, because when you see that English
Even
play.
if they did not crib, it was a win.
No, I'm mentioning that you see the opponents getting frustrated. It actually adds to the victory. That's what I'm saying. But after this heated up, spicy moment of the game, we got the draw, and the series is now at 2-1 in favor of England. As we move on to oval test, how do you look forward to the last test?
I hope Kuldeep Yadav plays. That's one thing that I'm looking forward to and hoping. Interesting that Washington Sundar came to bat at number 5. So maybe now that we know Rishabh Pant is not playing,
Yeah.
I'm guessing Washington will come in his place at 5. Opens up another place. We have to see what happens to that. The role of Shardul Thakur still remains unclear to me because he has not come out to bat number 5-6 at least. Neither has he bowled he has bowled 11 overs out of close to 140, 150 overs. So I'm not very sure about his role. Oval will be interesting also because a major question now is series is on the brink, right? You are not going to win the series from here.
Yeah.
You might not lose it as well, and that you have to ensure in oval. So Bumrah needs to be
England
back.
retains the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy.
Yeah, but how do you see
the result?
how do you see the match going forward? The team combination.
Problems of plenty because we don't know whether Akashdeep is fit.
Yeah.
Akashdeep, Bumrah, whether he's going to be available for the fifth test or not. Obviously, Rishabh Pant, the X factor.
He's not there.
He's not there. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Obviously, Narayan Jagdishan won't be coming and joining playing. I think Dhruv Jurel is an automatic replacement. So, for me, I think it's a
Anshul
problem of
Kamboj from
plenty. Huh?
What happens to Anshul Kamboj from here?
Definitely, you never know. Means obviously you are left out with no options.
That's what I'm saying. That if Akashdeep is still injured, what's the update on Arshdeep? We are not sure. So the whole contingent, the bowling contingent, the batting has been settled almost all through the series. One change here and there because of Rishabh's injury, but in general, batting has been settled and batting has been on point throughout. It's the bowling that is going to be a bit of a concern, as Devashish rightly said.
So that's all for now, because we will wrap this segment up, and it has been a fantastic reception from everyone at Zia Asian Grill. Thanks to Dev, thanks to Sandesh and everyone. The team of Zia Asian Grill and the partnership has been as stellar as whether KL Rahul and Shubman Gill or Washington Sundar and Ravindra Jadeja.
Thanks to Sunny for singing.
Thanks to Sunny Bhai for singing. He has been cheering us with a lot of Bollywood songs.
Every time, yeah, exactly. We would come here and while eating, we would randomly keep requesting songs to him. But he also kept pampering us by listening to our requests. So, yeah.
And thank you so everyone from the Zia Asian Grill family, and everyone watching. If you are in Manchester and wanting some relief from the tasteless English food and wanting some spicy Indian hot food, this is the destination. Thank you so much for watching.